The holidays are around the corner, and with all the joy comes a little extra chaos. Decorations, guests, and festivities can quickly take over your space. But here's how self-storage can save the day and help you get holiday ready. Let's talk about 5 easy ways you can use self-storage to create a clutter-free, stress-free space for the holidays. First, move out the things you won't be using until after the holidays. Outdoor furniture, sports gear, and gardening tools. Stash them in storage to free up room for what matters most, like that tree you've been waiting to decorate. Closet space is prime real estate during the holidays. Pack up off-season clothing, think swimsuits, light jackets, and summer shoes, and store them away. You'll have room for bulky winter coats, boots, and, let's be honest, those surprise gifts you haven't wrapped yet. Bulky toys and equipment are another culprit. Camping gear, or even that inflatable pool. Storing them now creates the space you need to organize holiday supplies, and maybe even hide gifts from prying eyes. Speaking of supplies, what about decorations? Only bring out what you're planning to use this year. The rest can go back into storage, safely packed away until next season. And here's a pro tip: store items by holiday. That way, you won't have to dig through Halloween lights to find your Christmas wreath. And finally, let's talk about preparing for guests. If you're hosting this year, clear out guest rooms and shared spaces by temporarily storing things you don't need. Your guests will appreciate the welcoming space. With just a little effort, self-storage can help you reclaim your space and enjoy the holidays the way they're meant to be, peaceful and clutter-free. Ready to make room for what matters this holiday season? Visit Arcos Self-Storage at www.arcostorage.com for clean, safe, and secure storage options. Your holiday prep just got easier.